Hi guys, today I'm making my go-to taco grilled chicken with avocado and Tex-Mex salad. It is absolutely easy to make and super delicious and healthy. I hope you're gonna stick around and join me to check it out. Okay, let me give you a rundown of the ingredients that you're gonna need for this recipe. For the chicken, you're going to need 2 chicken breasts, and you're going to cut them in half and pound them down so that they cook evenly and quickly on the grill. You're going to need some low sodium taco seasoning. That's going to go right on top of the chicken, and you're going to marinate that with a bit of lime juice. For the Tex-Mex salad, you're going to need some grilled corn, about 3 cobs of grilled corn, 1 can of black beans, 1 full red pepper diced, 1 full white onion diced, some long green onion that's been diced, and 1 jalapeno that's been cubed. You're going to need about half of an avocado. Doesn't that look great? A couple of limes and some avocado marzetti dip. And for the dressing for the salad, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, some garlic powder, a bit of salt, and then also a bit of chopped parsley. That's all our ingredients right now. I've got the grill heated up really nice at about 350, 400 degrees. We're ready to get this going right away and happen. Touched on it earlier, but this is 2 full chicken breasts. I've cut it in half and flattened it just so that they cook faster and more evenly on the grill. And I've used a little bit of a cheat. Don't tell anybody. But I'm using this taco seasoning. This is why I call it my go-to, because it's so easy. I just put this right on top of the chicken, pat it down, spray it with a little bit of olive oil spray, put a couple of squeezes of fresh lemon, about half lime rather, sorry. And I let it just marinate in the fridge right like that. And that's gonna go right on the grill. Just before it goes on the grill, I'm gonna give it another little spray because I haven't actually drenched it in oil or anything like that. So we're gonna get that cooking on the grill before we even start on the base of the salad. Okay, here we go. As our chicken is grilling away, we're gonna start making our grilled Tex-Mex salad, if you will. So you're going to put all the 3 pods of grilled corn, and the better, the more the char, the better. It's going to really just give it some awesome flavor. You're going to put 1 full can of the black beans. We're going to add the red pepper in here as well. And we're going to add a full diced onion to that. Now, I'll be honest, usually when I make this salad, it's quite hard to just make it for, just what the chicken is going to require. So this is actually going to make a really hefty portion of this. And typically what I'll do is I'll keep it for the week and, use it in tacos, quesadillas, use it plain at lunch, and then also for this dish. So this is going to make more than needed for the actual dinner recipe and for the chicken. We are then going to put a bit of those onions in here, the long onions, and jalapeno. If you don't like jalapeno, don't have to put it. Completely optional and up to you. I'm gonna fold that in, and then we're gonna add our parsley. We're gonna reserve just a little bit of parsley for garnish. So we're gonna take most of this, but just leave a little bit for later. I've already pre-made my dressing, and it's 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin, that's it, and 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar. There's a bit of garlic powder in here and salt, nothing else. We're going to dunk it right in there, and we're going to stir this up beautifully. And there we have it. There is our beautiful corn Tex-Mex grilled corn salad. This is the chicken that's been sitting on the grill with that beautiful taco seasoning. You can really smell it coming off of the grill. We want this to get kind of brown. We want to make sure it cooks thoroughly, almost kind of like a blackened chicken. So we're just going to keep it on there, watch it gently. If it needs a little bit of olive oil spray, we're going to put some of that on there until it gets nice and cooked. Our chicken is off the grill. It's grilled beautifully. It's ready to go. So we're just gonna plate right now. So what I'm gonna do is take that Marsetti sauce that we talked about with a little brush here, the avocado. I'm just gonna dip it into this brush. I'm gonna loop it around the plate, right around the plate. And be generous with it because you're gonna actually use this as a bit of dipping sauce. And we're gonna maybe kind of do like a little swirl. Okay, and be generous with it so you can use it later. So you see what I'm doing here. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is gonna get a food ring, put it right in the middle of the plate here. We're gonna take that grilled corn salad and we're gonna scoop it right in the center. Fill it right to the top. Place that you want. So we're gonna gently, ever so gently take off the ring. Yes, hallelujah. It's always a good feeling. And then we're gonna take a piece of that beautiful chicken. I'm gonna put it, I'm actually gonna turn this around, guys. We're gonna put it like that so you guys can see it. Okay, I'll put another piece right there. And I've cut that half of an avocado into beautiful slices, and we're just gonna feather it right along the top here as gently as we possibly can. Gently is the operative word here. Okay, maybe just one more. Okay, it's good. It's very fresh avocado, as you can see. It's great. We're gonna take a little bit of the chopped onions and kind of just gently put them on top. We're gonna take some of that parsley that we had left over that we left. We're gonna gently sprinkle that as well. Great. And then we're gonna take a couple of fresh limes and I'm gonna squeeze the lime right on top of the chicken, right on top of that chicken. Oh, that looks good. Chop up everything here. And we're gonna leave another one just for garnish in case someone wants it. Off to the side. I'm just gonna give it a little spray of olive oil just to kind of give it a bit of a sheen. And folks, dinner is served in about 25 to 30 minutes. Does that not look absolutely fabulous and healthy and delicious and good? Guys, thanks so much again for watching. I'm Ivana Spatafor of Inspired Living 50. Feel free to check out our website, www.inspiredliving50, our YouTube channel at Inspired Living 50. As always, thanks so much for watching and happy, healthier eating.